In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly remove the background from an image using Canva. Whether you're designing a poster, creating social media graphics, or just touching up photos, knowing how to clear an image from its background can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you've got your Canva document open. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's a fantastic tool that offers easy-to-use templates and design features right from your web browser. Once you're inside your document, locate the image whose background you want to remove. You can either upload your own image by dragging it into Canva or choose one from the vast array of options available in their library. After you've selected your image, you'll notice a few options appear right above your document. Among these options is the BG Remover tool, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Click on BG Remover, and you'll witness the magic of Canva as it does all the hard work for you. It uses a smart algorithm to automatically detect the subject of your image and efficiently removes everything else around it. This feature is perfect for those of you who need to cut out a professional-looking silhouette without having to manually trace around the edges. While the BG Remover generally does a good job on its own, there might be instances where it doesn't perfectly outline your subject, especially if there's a lot of contrast or complex elements involved. In such cases, Canva provides tools to adjust the removed areas, allowing you to fine-tune the results to your satisfaction. Simply click on the Erase or Restore tools to refine the edges and achieve a cleaner finish. With the process now complete, your image should be free from its background. At this point, you can continue editing, add new backgrounds, or layer your image onto another design. The newly edited image can seamlessly fit into any project you're working on, offering more flexibility and creativity in your designs. That's all there is to it. Removing a background in Canva is as simple as opening your document, selecting your image, and clicking on the BG Remover. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your image into a versatile design element. So go ahead, experiment with different images and scenarios, and watch your creative ideas come to life with the power of Canva's intuitive tools. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with these features, the more you'll find new and inspiring ways to use them. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!